welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now today we're going to be reviving a special series that I used to have called Just the Tip, and we really haven't done one of those in quite a while. I don't know why. Well anyway, so the reason we're bringing it back though is because Thanksgiving is right around the corner, and a while ago I did a show called Just the Tip 3-ingredient teriyaki sauce, and I kind of like the idea of using just 3 ingredients to make something, and everyone else seemed to like it as well, so I decided to use it for a new recipe. Now, like I said, with Thanksgiving right around the corner, one of the staples at any Thanksgiving dinner is cranberry sauce. Now, I know what some of you guys are thinking. You're like, I hate cranberry sauce. But you guys usually probably have had canned cranberry sauce, and that is night and day different than what I'm making. The stuff I'm making, full of flavor, fresh, and, you know, it's packed full of vitamin C and nutrients. Super good. Oh yeah, and the best part is, I'm going to show you how to make it in just 3 ingredients. Alright, so if you guys really enjoyed today's show, please feel free to hit that like button and also hit that share button because it really does help this channel grow by helping it reach a broader audience. And also if you really love the show, feel free to subscribe because that actually it helps the channel grow. It helps the channel grow, helps me put content out for you, helps me, helps you. Alright, so who's ready to give 3-ingredient cranberry sauce a whirl? You guys are going to be so surprised how simple this is, but so good. So good. And if you're not fans of cranberry sauce, try it out. Anyway, it'll change your life. Anyway, let's do this. That's how easy it is to make cranberry sauce from scratch, see? Nothing too complex, people. Thanksgiving doesn't have to be complicated. Neither does cranberry sauce. Oh, and for any of you guys worried about the cranberry sauce being too thin, cranberries have a natural gelling agent in them, so if you're worried that your cranberry sauce came out too watery, you really need to wait till it cools down because it might gel over and it's going to thicken up naturally as it sits and cools. So, you know, just give it time. Alright, well that's all I have time for in this episode, so stop by later in the week where we're going to be making all the pumpkin lovers happy by making pumpkin cinnamon rolls using the cream cheese icing that I made on Tuesday's show. It's going to be good, especially for one of those pumpkin spice people. I'll see you then. Oh yeah, and by the way, thank you for stopping by. My name is Chef Matt with Kitchen Instruments, and you just got the tip.